Okay, so this is the microwave. Um, this is the start button right here. This is the open button, so this is how you open the microwave. This is how you adjust the setting. This is 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and 60 seconds. So I'm going to set it for 15 seconds right now. And so I'm going to start it. And this pretty much indicates that the microwave is on and it's cooking your food. And this is the time elapsed right over here. It says 12, 14, 15, and as you can see, the alarm goes off and the light goes on. So this is how you open the microwave, which turns the microwave off. And I'm going to set it for 60 seconds this time, but I'm going to set the seconds to go really fast so we don't have to wait 60 seconds. 60 seconds right here. Start the microwave. Oops, wrong button. Start the microwave. Seconds are going by fast. And once it hits 60 again, it's going to sound the alarm. Great. And turn it off. And that's pretty much how it works. I'll cycle through the other settings. So I'm going to do 45. And then let's do 30 seconds too. And that's it. Yeah. Just a quick view about the rest of the timer. And here is the file. Looks like this. Actually, just kidding, that's the wrong file. This is the file. Got some logic over here, and that's pretty much it.